हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू क्रिएटिव किड्स। तो आज की क्लास में हम मधुबनी पेंटिंग का भरनी टेक्निक कवर करेंगे। जैसा कि हमने अपनी लास्ट क्लास में कचनी टेक्निक ऑफ द मधुबनी आर्ट किया था। इट इज ऑल अबाउट एचिंग एंड क्रॉस एचिंग एंड वी हैव डन इट लाइकवाइज, but in the Bharni technique we are used to fill the colors in the painting. So I have created an artwork to show you so that it will be clear to all of you what we are going to do today in the class. So you can see this, it is quite similar. Base will be the same as the Kachani technique. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर आपको एचिंग एंड क्रॉस एचिंग भी दिखाई देंगी काफी जगह पर, but still you have to fill up the color somewhere. So I'll to guide you how to do that, how to draw and how to color step by step. So if you really want to learn about this Bharni technique of Madhubani art, so please keep this watch this video till the last. And what material is required to make this artwork is given in the description box. You can check it out from there. And let's start it. If you are confident, only then you can draw with the marker or black sketch pen. Otherwise, you need to draw it with the pencil first, and then you can make their outline with the black marker. As I told in my previous video, Madhubani painting is also known as Mithila painting. In this video, we are going to cover the second technique of the Madhubani art, that is Bharni technique. Madhubani painting is a style of Indian paintings practiced in the Mithila region of the Indian subcontinent. This painting is done with a variety of tools including fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pens, permanent markers, black gel pens, micron pens, matchsticks, and using natural dyes and pigments. Madhubani painting was traditionally created by the women of various communities in the Mithila region of the Indian subcontinent. It originated from Madhubani district of the Mithila region of Bihar. Madhubani is also a major export center of these paintings. Once we complete our drawing like this, after that we'll do the detail work. This painting as a form of wall art was practiced widely throughout the region. The more recent development of paintings on paper and canvas mainly originated among the villages around Madhubani. The paintings were traditionally done on the freshly plastered mud walls and floors of huts, but now they are also done on cloth, handmade paper and canvas and dupattas, sarees, etc. Madhubani paintings has remained confined to a compact geographical area, and the skills have been passed on through centuries. Madhubani paintings mostly depict people and that association with nature and scenes and deities from the ancient epics. Natural objects like the sun, the moon, and birds and animals are also widely painted. Once we complete our drawing, as you can see on the screen, after that we can start coloring. Color medium can be of your choice. If you are making your Madhubani painting on the cloth, then acrylic colors you can take, and if it is on paper, then you can take watercolor or sketch pens. Generally, no space is left empty. The gaps are filled by birds and even geometrical designs. Traditionally, painting was one of the skill that was passed down from generation to generation in the families of the Mithila region. Gradually, we will fill this painting with the colors. I am using sketch pens here. You can take any medium of the color in which you are most comfortable. Where we have done the etching and cross etching, we are not supposed to fill that area, and remaining area we need to cover, as you can see in this painting. Instead of filling up the full gap with the color, we can do the etching. As you can see, I am doing in the stem of the tree. We need to complete this artwork with the patience and full dedication, just because it takes lot more time as compared to other paintings. If you like this video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and do let me know which technique of the Madhubani art do you like the most, Kachani technique or Bharni technique. So please tell in the comment box.